Hello everybody, hope you're all keeping very well and safe out there at the moment. So what's been happening here at Specialist Cars and House Motor Company? Well, lots of things, mad busy. It really is crazy how busy it's been. And you remember from my last video that I did to telling you about the price of used cars, how they've shot up. You know, I spoke to the Times magazine on BBC Radio Midlands discussing what the current market is doing. Well, it certainly has not eased off. Prices are still rising for used cars. It's the old supply and demand situation, isn't it, really? You know, where the cars are flying out everywhere, people wanting to buy cars. So if you are in the market to buy a car, get one bought now, because the price will still keep going up there. New ones, we've still got the semiconductor issue where the new cars have been delayed massively. I generally don't believe the new car situation will get any better from probably maybe the first quarter of next year, but time will tell. Maybe the semiconductors might just all of a sudden start being made. Time will tell with that. But genuinely, used cars are going up, which I've never known so much increase month on month. You know, it really is phenomenal on that. I suppose the beauty of that side of it is if you've got 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, and you've got a few sitting in the driveway or locked away in a garage, now's the time to sell it, get it sold, because I don't believe you'll get the same price next year for that car or a few months down the road. So if it's there collecting dust, insured, MOT, and you're not using it, make the most of it, get it sold, and don't forget, I want it. If it's a nice car, low mileage, full service history, I will pay the best price for it, simple as that. And it won't be just an automated valuation within 60 seconds. It'll be a personalised quotation for your car with the service history, the specification, the condition, and I'll pay top price for top cars, like I've always done. So sell me your car, I want it. Tell your friends, tell your neighbours, shout about it. So that side of it, and also buying cars. Thank you to all the customers who've trusted me to either source cars for them and bought so many cars unseen. You know, we've delivered cars all over the country recently, and people have watched the videos, seen all the pictures, seen the accurate descriptions. I've sent personalised videos as well, just to make sure every part of the car is covered, and you've paid me in advance and had the car delivered. So thank you for believing in me and believing the reviews, which are all genuine reviews from previous customers. And if you bought a car off me and you've promised to leave me a review, it'd be fantastic. Just there's a link at the bottom. Please put me a review on there so it helps other buyers to understand how I deal with selling cars, especially if people are buying cars from a long distance, and then they want a reassurance of how I operate, the condition of the cars on that. So all those people who bought cars off me and left reviews, thank you ever so much. And those who haven't had a chance to pop me a review, it would be great if you just pop me a quick review on there of your honest review of your experience of buying cars from me. Simple as that, really. So on the after sale side, we're just again very, very busy on there. So if you've got problems with your cars, servicing, MOTs, repairs, tyres, batteries, exhaust, whatever, give us as much notice as you can so we'll get it booked in for you. Obviously there are emergencies, we're trying to squeeze everybody in there, but so just check out when the MOT is due. You know you can have it MOT'd at least 30 days before it expires, so it's not a last minute panic on that. So give us a call. And again, for local people, we're doing lots of free collection deliveries. So if you want to stay at home, because the pandemic is still out there, it hasn't disappeared and it won't go away for a while, and you don't want to venture out there, we're happy to collect free delivery and free collection, reasonable distance, absolutely. So we'll just leave our loan car in your driveway, pick up the car, get it fixed and drop it back again for you with pleasure. So give us a call on that side of it. Awards. So Car Dealer Magazine are doing awards again. I've not applied. However, if you think I'm worthy, there's a link below. Please go and vote for me on there. And you never know, I might come back with another award. But I've got plenty of awards. But thank you very much again for all you guys and girls up there who've have voted for me in the past. So if you do fancy voting for me, nominating me, feel free to do that. That'd be great. So buying cars online, it's a strange one, isn't it? We've got Lots of new companies popping up, disruptors as they call themselves, to sell cars online. So you can buy the comfort from your chair, which is what I've been doing for a number of years now. Many of you have trusted me to sell you that car unseen. The difference is with the online disruptors and the independent dealers like myself is these so-called disruptors, the cars are parked in one place, the call centre handler is in a different place, images are made in a different place. So if you ring up and you want to know about that particular car, the chances are that nobody can actually give you an accurate description of that vehicle. So do you know what you're buying? If you ring me and ask me about that Kia, I'll give you full chapter and verse of that car, because I bought that from the last owner. I know all about that car. I can walk you around that car. I can send you a separate video of it if you want as well. But I can tell you all about that car because it's physically with me and I can see it with my own eyes. I'm not relying on second, third, fourth information being passed around about that car. So if you do want to buy a car unseen, then just make sure you know who you're dealing with. Make sure that car is described correctly. No point having it delivered to your driveway if the car's not going to be right when it arrives. I'm not saying they're not right, however, you need to make sure who you're buying from and you know the full description of that car. Accurate description, information, specification, service history information. Sure hard-earned cash. You want to be sure you know who you're dealing with. So as I said, you know, it's been mad busy here. The forecourt's been brimful a couple of weeks ago. And now, as you can see, it's a little bit dilapidated. So I'm desperate to buy nice cars, low mileage, service history cars. Give me a call. Thanks again. Any questions, any advice you want, always feel free to give me a shout. 01782 822 700, always at hand, or ping me an email, or ask the questions below. And if you can, leave me some reviews, and if you want to nominate me, feel free. And we're allowed to have tea and coffee now, so if you're about, I've not seen you for a little while, it would be great to catch up, really would be. Pop in for a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, I'll have a chat. Thanks again for your loyal support. See you all soon. Stay safe.